Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show how to set up DJI Mavic Mini for the first flight. Let's begin. This is the case, and the quality of this case is really very good. And it comes with the DJI Mavic Flymo combo. First, let's begin with the remote control. These are the antennas, and these are the mobile supporters. And below this you will find the joysticks. Just remove them and twist it over here and it will get attached. Similarly on this side also. Now the remote controller is ready. Now we have to attach a phone to this controller. For this we will need this cable. Now since I am using Redmi Note 7 Pro and it supports Type C, so the connector which I will be using will be Type C. If you are using Apple phones or you have micro USB, so there are another connectors which come with this box. Just attach this over here. Now we have to connect mobile to this controller. For that, simply we have to download DJI Mavic app in our phone. Now launch it. So this is the home page of the app. Now connect the connector or remote connector to the phone. And attach it to the holder. In this fashion the controller will look. And to start the controller, there is the power button over here. Now to start, there is a trick. You have to click it twice. First time fast click and second time just give a long press to it. Press and hold it until it gives a beep sound like this. Now you should get a notification in your phone that the remote controller is connected. Wait for it. Here it is. Remote controller connected. Now the controller is ready to use. Before that, there are a few buttons on the remote controller which you need to know. First, this is the power button which we use now. This is the home button which will help your drone to return takeoff location. Here, this is the recording button. As soon as you will press this, the video recording in your drone will start, and as soon as you will press it again after the video recording is started, it will stop. And here, this is the camera button. It will take pictures. And bottom here you will see a scroll, and this is for the gimbal. If you want to move your gimbal up, down, for that reason. Now the controller is ready to use. Now let's go to the next step. This is the main drone. Now we have to open its propellers. First step, open the upper propeller, then just twist the bottom one like this. Similarly on the other side. Open the upper side and twist the bottom side. And this is how the drone will look. Now on the back side, you will see two slots. One is for charging cable and another one is for the SD card. The SD card which I am using is SanDisk Extreme. It is UHS 1, and UHS 1 is the minimum required for the drone, else it will show some error or anything else. Now just insert it in the drone, push it, and it will get locked in it. Now just open it, and this is the battery area. This is the DJI Mavic Mini battery, and with this combo you get 3 batteries. Insert it in this fashion and you will hear a click sound, and just close it. This is the gimbal protector. Before every flight we have to remove this. There is a bottom part where we can click it and remove it. Now the setup for drone is completed. Now to start the drone, on the bottom side you will see a button. Similarly, like remote controller, you have to press it and leave it, and it will take its initial setup. On bottom side you will see a green light. It means that drone is ready to connect with your controller. Now let's get back to our remote controller. In this app you will see the option Go Fly. Click on it and it will connect it to the drone, and it will start showing the preview. Just see, here is our drone and this is the preview, and it's not recorded, it's just showing the preview, which what drone is seeing, you see it on the screen. Now it's showing over here takeoff permitted, and these are the modes, different modes: sports mode, cinematic mode, and this is the normal position mode. Here you can select it, either you want to use drone for photography or video. If it's photo, single or time, then video, you can choose the option 2.7K video or 1080 pixel, and even there are the quick shots. We can use it when the drone is in the flight. At the bottom you will see exposure. Currently, if you want to, it's very bright right now. So if you want to decrease or increase the exposure, you can use it. So it will increase the exposure, and as you scroll down, it will decrease the exposure. So currently, I think the best exposure is neutral. It gives the perfect shot. On your right top corner, you will see 3 dots. Click on it, and this is all the settings. On the max altitude, you can choose how much height you want to choose that your drone should go, or limit your drone to particular height. And bottom is the distance, means you want to permit that how far the drone can go. And this is the home point. Earlier I had told you about regarding this button, but this home point is used on this button, and you can use it only when the drone is in flight. And then controls, camera, transmission, about. Now let's go to control. Under the control section you will see a mode, stick mode. Click on it. You can see different modes: mode 1, mode 2, mode 3, and custom. Currently I am using mode 2. These are the current functions which I can use to control the drones, and there is a custom option. If you want to customize these functions, you can do it, but right now I will show you the mode 2, which comes by default with this controller. All the setups and everything is done. Now is the action time. Let's fly our drone for the first time. To take off, there is a button over here on the left. Click on it and it shows a takeoff button. And just remember, as soon as it will take off, it will hover to the height of 1.2 meter by its own. Press it and just leave it, and you will see that drone has taken the first flight, and it's hovering at the height of 1.2 meter. Basic controls of the drone. On the left side, if you will push it forward, it will gain the altitude, and if you will push it down, it will lose the altitude. If you will move it sideways, the drone will rotate left side, and if you will push it on right, the drone will rotate on the right side. Now the right side joystick, it is for the acceleration. If I will push it forward, the drone will go forward, and if I will push it backwards, the drone will come backwards. If I will push it sideways, the drone will continue to the sideways, and similarly if I will push it to the right, the drone will continue to the right side. Now these are the basic functions. Now if I click this button, you will see a prompt. It will show that drone has started recording. Now whatever drone sees, it is recorded. On the bottom side you can see H, it means height, and currently it's on the 0.1 meter, and on the right side it is distance, means how much far the drone is currently. currently from you. Now you can use all the functions simultaneously, like moving upwards and going forward, or moving downwards or coming backwards. All the functions can be used simultaneously. Now I will show you some sample videos.